am Ravi. The question is, choose the option which has a sentence which does not fit in the arrangement of each of the sentences A, B, C, D and E given below in forming a cogent paragraph. Sentence A. Films open on big screens but make money on small ones. Sentence B. Partly as a result, studios have pruned their output. Sentence C. In 2006, members of the Motion Pictures Association of America released 204 films, including 80 from their subsidiaries. Sentence D. Mid-budget films of the kind that tend to be nominated for awards were the first to be caught in the downdraft. Sentence E. They are concentrating on big budget spectaculars that will draw people to cinemas around the world. The answer is option 4. That is, sentence A is inappropriate. D, B, E, C is the sequence. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Ravi. The question is, choose the option which has a sentence which does not fit in the arrangement of each of the sentences A, B, C, D and E given below in forming a cogent paragraph. Sentence A. What of the rest of the world? Sentence B. At around the stage, the problems of the deteriorating plant began to spread. Sentence C. There was a talk of a boom like that of the 1970s when 25 or so plants started construction each year in rich countries. Sentence D. Industry boosters had hopes of a nuclear renaissance as countries tried to cut back on carbon emissions. Sentence E. Not anymore, in view of public opinion expected to take a dive. The answer is 3. That is, sentence B is inappropriate. A, D, C, E is the sequence. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Ravi. The question is, choose the option which has the sentence which does not fit in the arrangement of each of the sentences A, B, C, D and E given below in forming a cogent paragraph. Sentence A. But structure matters. Sentence B. It is hard to think of any successful commercial outfit that has stuck to the same organizational design for 23 years, let alone 230. Sentence C. Opposing them is not worth the hassle. Sentence D. Many of these oddities work well in practice and Americans revere their constitution. Sentence E. In Europe, thanks in part to 2 world wars, the state has been redesigned more recently, though many antiquated structures such as Britain's House of Lords have survived. The answer is option 2. That is, sentence C is inappropriate. E, D, A, B is the sequence. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Ravi. The question is, choose the option which has a sentence which does not fit in the arrangement of each of the sentences A, B, C, D and E given below in forming a cogent paragraph. Sentence A. The second sense is more useful when discussing the welfare of the states where no bright line separates success and failure. Sentence B. Nor is there a continuum stretching from dismal failure to blessed success, as the conditions are mixed in a variety of ways. Sentence C. English word fail can imply a status, a binary category into which you or your exam paper either fall or don't fall. D. It was highly unusual for the council to issue an order to anybody except governments. Sentence E. Or it can be a process of indefinite duration. The answer is 1. That is, sentence D is inappropriate. C, E, A, B is the sequence. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Ravi. The question is, choose the option which has a sentence which does not fit in the arrangement of each of the sentences A, B, C, D and E given below in forming a cogent paragraph. Sentence A, many already have. Sentence B, to help overwhelmed consumers, there is even a service which lists all the daily deals available in a city. Sentence C, the reasons for such numbers are various. Sentence D, there are hundreds of clones in America alone, most specializing in certain product categories. Sentence E, for starters, almost anyone can set up a daily deals site. The answer is 2. That is, sentence C is inappropriate. E, A, D, B is the sequence. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.